just go into mods and blah blah blah. I don't know. You'll figure it out. Sometimes my mouse does this thing where it like glitches. We just fill in that hole. Alright, so we put this here and a bunch of these. And then we raise the wall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks in the air. You can make that an extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, aka 20 blocks. So you place the tornado or weather siren here, put some iron trapdoors, put item frames each sides, and then place this tornado item thingy. And that's it. Hope you like this tutorial. It looks really cool.